No CDD and LOW HOA. Fresh paint. New carpet. Lake view. Quiet. Cozy and casually elegant home is perfect for comfort and low maintenance. This home offers an open floor plan, with beautiful flooring throughout. The kitchen features gorgeous wood cabinetry and all GE appliances, an open dining room that joins to living room. Your master bedroom has an oversized walk-in closet as well as ensuite bathroom that features a garden tub with double vanity sinks. All ceiling fans are included. There is a nice backyard porch overlooking the lake that is perfect for entertaining. Deep lot offers room to add a private pool if buyer desires for a true Florida experience, though HOA approval would be required. Good news for your purse, this home is in a ex-flood zone. You do not want to miss seeing this great home and becoming a Sugar Mill Lakes resident. Welcome home to this beautiful and pet-friendly community and escape to resort-style living.